Want to copy and paste text in the Gmail app on your phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy text from an email and paste it anywhere on your Android or iPhone. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Next, open the email that contains the text you want to copy. Press and hold on the text until it becomes highlighted. You'll see selection handles appear on both sides of the highlighted text. Drag the blue handles to select exactly the text you want to copy. Once you've selected the text, tap Copy from the pop-up menu. The selected text is now copied to your clipboard. Now, open a new email in Gmail, or open any app where you want to paste the text. Tap and hold inside the text field until the menu appears. Then tap Paste. If your keyboard shows a clipboard or paste suggestion, you can tap that as well to quickly insert the copied text. The copied text will now appear in your email or wherever you're pasting it. That's it. You've successfully copied and pasted text in the Gmail app on your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.